What is up, my riders? So, this has been a long-awaited pre-workout review video that I was going to do a long time ago, and I just never got to it. But I've been looking at this for like a month or two. Ryse. And this is Ryse High Stim Loaded Pre Freedom Rocks. I will show you guys on screen the label here just so you guys know what's in it. But this is a very high stim pre-workout. I haven't even used pre-workout in forever, but I'm going to put it to the test. I'm also going to give you guys a taste test and review it out of 10 like I always do. But if you look carefully, you see there's like little pieces in it. Without further ado, I'm just going to jump right in. We got the scooper, which is actually surprisingly big, so this is probably going to hit different. And it's a full 30 servings, so for 35 bucks, this could be my new favorite pre-workout. I'm gonna make sure I do a nice scoop, not a baby scoop. You guys can see the little floaters on the top. Give her a little shake. It honestly kind of tastes like a drink that I've had from like a Ghost or a C4 that I've had before. Also kind of tastes like lit fireworks. I'm gonna put a little bit more in, but it's actually pretty freaking good. If I could explain it in 2 words only, it's like sour and sweet at the same time. It tastes like an energy drink. I cannot put my name on it. I put a tad bit more on it just to get the full effect for you guys. I'm gonna give it a solid almost 8. 8 is like usually the highest I ever review products. There's been like very few 9s. I would say 7.75 out of 10. It's actually like pretty like different to the point that I don't think I would ever get bored of it because it's not just sweet or sour, it's both. There's also a ton of other flavors that I'll put on the screen here, so you have a lot to choose from. But the thing I'm excited about the most is the like workout profile. All the stuff that's in it is stuff that I really like. Like there isn't anything in this that I like don't like at all for working out. Studies with L-citrulline and beta-alanine. So let's see how it works out. We're gonna get right into it once I'm finished with the drink. Guys, just remember that if you're going to be doing this with like a high stim pre, make sure to use water too to get your proper hydration, because if you're just drinking this, you're just getting all the caffeine from it. I haven't even finished this and I feel wired. Okay guys, so I have some final thoughts. I just want to include this real quick just in case my normal people are watching this. If you guys want me to start doing like Xbox streaming content with my girlfriend, we definitely can do that because she leaves her Xbox here and she has a new Series S, whatever they are, the brand new Xbox. So we definitely could start streaming again. If you guys want to see that content, we'll try to figure it out because I'll still need a way to broadcast the video with like an Elgato. I'll have to have a streaming setup because I don't think it allows for YouTube streams. We could bring that back if you guys want. But now I'm gonna give you guys my total honest review of this pre-workout. I'm gonna say it probably kicks Rory off the top spot. As far as taste, it's not like amazing, but it's something that you wouldn't get tired of. The taste is like pretty good. It's, like I said, it's not like overly sugar tasting like lit still holds my spot for like best tasting, but what matters the most is how it works and if you can bear it. And I can 100% drink this back-to-back days. The workout, I would suggest trying probably 1/2 scoop or 2/3 of a scoop. I'm definitely going to take my own advice because it is strong. And I was like, well, I want to give everyone an honest review. So I took like a heaping scoop, which is just like barely over the top. Makes you actually like wired. Like I do have like the laser focus and everything while working out. I can like zone out and push myself harder. And I can feel myself sweating more and actually like getting everything out of the workout. But it's also a lot. Like for most people, I would think that like if you're not on medication for anxiety, you would probably give yourself a panic attack because this is a lot of a caffeine feel. And I still feel it even on my meds. Just be careful of that. But other than that, like every single ingredient in it is dosed correctly. I think this is the first time I can feel the slight beta itch because I never get the beta itch. But I can like feel it in my hands a little bit. Not like crazy, but it's enough to like definitely know it's working for you. And I feel like an added benefit of it being high stim is if you are trying to like cut down like I am, it's definitely gonna raise your heart rate a little bit more, make you sweat a little bit more, and should make you in total get more calories burned with your lifting session. So in all honesty, I would say that this is like a for sure go-to. This is like up there with like my top pre-workout drinks as far as like the added benefit that I've got from them. There's very few pre-workouts that I've had that have come close to Dark Energy after I've had that, because just DMAA, you can't compare like the feeling. So everything previously that I've had that's regular pre-workout has never like fully got me to where I was at with that, but I get the added like mental boost, focus, happiness. I like feel a lot more like upbeat, and I think all the stims in that making you more upbeat is gonna make you want to work out harder. That's kind of why I struggle right now with working out and staying consistent, because without the like pre-workout, like I used to always have pre-workout, it's just kind of like it takes me a lot to want to motivate myself because of the lack of stim. But stims for some reason are my best friend. So if you're a stim junkie, you will like this. Just be warned, like I would give it an assessment of like a 2/3 scoop if you want to go like higher dose and see how you feel before you go that last like little bit of your scooper, because this is a lot. Like I can feel the caffeine. Definitely can feel the caffeine. With that being said, there's also a ton of flavors, so give it a try. And I know that the person that has like ownership of this pre-workout or whatever is like very highly respected. I'll put his name here. I like have them in my mind of what he looks like. He's like an actual like big, huge bodybuilder. I see a lot of TikToks with him and everything, but I don't know the name, but I'll put it there. So I honestly believe that he actually has like a legitimate pre-workout. This is like dosed correctly. It works. I'm probably going to work out for another 20 minutes before but I had to like do something with my thoughts because it was on my mind heavily that I could like get everything out, what I'm trying to say, what I'm getting from the workout. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Give another flavor a try if you want something that's like less sour. It's sour and then sweet. If you want more sweet, I know there's a lot of options. There's also a ring pop flavor. There's Sunny D. That's just the two I know off the top of my head. But I love you guys. Make sure to be happy, stress less. Let me know what you guys want to see me review down below next. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and leave a comment. I love you. Make sure to be happy, stress less. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always,